So I had to record today. That's already just, depending on how much I have to record and everything, it's taxing on the throat. And then I don't know what it is. It's blooming right now. I don't know what it is out there, but outside is disgusting right now. I hate it. Whatever it is, I had a sneezing fit earlier that was... I felt like a cartoon character. I'm in my office, right? I'm in my office working, and I just start sneezing and sneezing and sneezing and sneezing, and it just kept going. I thought I was gonna die. I hear from the other room from a family member, "Are you okay?"